it's Melissa. I am here with my weekly in-store Aldi Finds video for the week of June 18th through June 24th. As you know, Aldi's made some changes to the way that we see stuff online in advance, so each week when I'm in the store, I try to show you as much as I can, all the different colors, variations, etc. Little different this week though. My usual store I go to was closed, so I'm in a different store, so it's a little different. But Seed-tastic, the Grain-tastic, these breads are amazing. They score 100 on the Yuka app. The Alouette cheeses, these I think are new flavors. That Kansas City barbecue popcorn I also think is a new flavor. Let me know. These little succulents are adorable. They're very small, but they are so cute. We've got the essential oils, $3.99. We've got the pedestal fans, 2 different colors to pick from, $29.99. These laundry baskets, if you need a laundry basket, go run right now. Blue handle, green handle, $7.99. It is sturdy. It's a nice size. They're really great. The portable LED air cooler, $16.99. We've got the cooling throws. They're not super soft. They're cooling. There's the 4 colors to pick from, $19.99. We've got the cooling comforters. This is the king size. I'm pretty positive it comes in queen also. We've got this beautiful 3-drawer organizer. Love that. Perfect for so many things. $29.99. Trunk organizer with the cooler. Love the whole concept of this. Number one, look at that adorable pattern. Okay, I should have did it. I did it in the wrong order. Let's look at these car sunshades. 3 different ones to pick from, all different sizes to pick from depending on your car. Okay, back to that pattern. Look, we've got the pet seat protector matches the cooler. It's adorable. And then we keep going, $14.99. We've got the seat covers that match the coolers. I love it. $9.99. We've got these wireless Bluetooth headphones, 4 really pretty colors to pick from. These look like they're awesome, $14.99. We've got these car chargers, 2 different kinds to pick from, $19.99. We've got the portable tire inflator, $14.99. We've got the Hot Wheel cars. These are super cute. Who doesn't love Hot Wheels? $1.99. We've got these packing cubes, 5-piece packing cubes, 3 different colors to pick from, $12.99. They're calling it, what do they call it again? It's a really nice size bag. It is like a backpack duffel. I'm confused by the backpack part. There's 3 different colors to pick from, $19.99. These are absolutely precious. They are little suitcases that the kids can ride on. There's the 3 different ones. I'll have the sneak peek below, $39.99. We got these toiletry bags. There's a whole bunch to pick from, really pretty colors, $7.99. We got the denim shorts, 3 different colors to pick from, and those are $9.99. We've got the men's shorts, 4 different styles and colors, $9.99. We've got the ladies' espadrille wedges. These are all super pretty. What is that? Was that $9.99? We've got the beach towels. These are not super soft, but I'm guessing these are, for the sand. They're great. They're beautiful looking. Great size. We got these little pools, $16.99. We got the summer paper plates and paper napkins, $1.99. We got some watertight storage cases and the smartphone case, 2 different colors, 2 different cases. We've got the pool floats, $9.99. We've got, this is gorgeous. Everybody who used this last year, beautiful, $16.99. We've got the outdoor concrete candles, $9.99. We've got these pots, very nice size, $4.99. You can't beat it. We've got all these pool toy thingies. They're like dive sticks, dive fish, all different kinds of stuff, $4.99. We've got the water hammock. This looks pretty cool, $6.99, I think that said. I still have mine from last year. These are so cute. They, I believe, right? They're solar. They light up. They're adorable. We've got all these different little garden figurines. We've got the hanging wind spinners. There's a few to pick from. Beautiful. We've got these tall garden statues. Absolutely beautiful. 3 different ones to pick from, I believe. One cuter than the other. These are adorable. The bird drinking trough. Look how cute they are. Love those. $9.99. We've got the, do they call this the boho hanging one? It's the hanging chair. I don't think it's officially the boho one, but it's $19.99. It's adorable. We've got these trellises, privacy trellises. So the leaf or the floral one, that's so pretty, $29.99. We've got the cooling pillows, $9.99. We've got the Zappos pretzel sticks. Sorry, my finger seems to be in the way there. We've got these different chips. I believe these are new, that sweet Maui onion and the chili pepper one. Let me know if you've tried them, if they're good. We've got the Alex's stand on the chocolate-covered almonds. I think they were almonds. Let me know what you're most excited for. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. I completely appreciate it. It helps more people see it. I'm really trying to get more people to see these videos. And have an amazing week, and I will see you soon. Thanks, everyone.